This is camp tonight. We're right at the borderline of Yellowstone National Park. Dun, dun. I am right on the line, but I'm not in it. There's the trail right there and the main sign. So anyway, tomorrow we get up, we'll hike 30 miles to the highway. Try to hitchhike in and get a backcountry permit and a resupply. And yeah, and get back out on trail because there's no camping there supposedly and no rooms available. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Hike back out somewhere, but I don't know how to go to bed without breaking the law. So that's really weird.